Test. Okay, I should have audio now. If I don't have audio now, please repeatedly put it in chat until I get it, because I don't look at chat, and I'm just gonna give the whole live stream without it. I can hear myself just fine, so sorry if you don't have audio. I also have a storm out here in Iowa near Bernard and just east of Ryan here. And then there's a small thunderstorm near Sioux City, Iowa. And we have scattered rain showers across Minnesota, including Minneapolis a little bit and St. Cloud. Got some here. These scattered showers continue into North Dakota, Steele, Jamestown, Fargo, Lisbon. We have a thunderstorm out here in South Dakota, northwestern part near Chance and Usta. Then as we get down into Nebraska, we also have another set of thunderstorms here, stretching from Weir to Koshapa. And then we got the outflow here is causing rain showers. There's another small one down here near Cambridge, Nebraska. And Missouri looks pretty dry. It could be a supercell. It kind of is, looking like it's turning into one. And then scattered rain showers across Colorado. A few lightning strikes here. There's a little storm right here north of Lamar. And there's a little thunderstorm near Edwards, Colorado, in the mountains. Let's see, New Mexico. Got a thunderstorm over Albuquerque. Then just south of Albuquerque, near Zilete and Los Lunas. The rest of the state has scattered rain showers. And we continue on into Arizona. Midway, Arizona, Santa Rosa, out here in the desert. I don't even see any town names near here. So, Tucson got some pretty intense rain and a little bit of lightning. Over here at Winchester Heights, very intense storm. Texas, rain shower in West Texas. Mississippi, got a rain shower over Aberdeen, Manti, Houston, Alabama. A thunderstorm here between the south of Alpine and north of whatever this town name is, which I'm not going to try to pronounce, and east of Childersburg. It's right over Sycamore right now. Georgia, got a couple of little rain showers here in central Georgia. One north of Macon, and then between Buena Vista and Hawkinsville, there's some rain showers. Then on the coast, we got a weakening thunderstorm. You can see the lightning strikes here. Hi, Jeff. This is over Brunswick, Georgia. And as we gotta look at Florida real quick. This little thunderstorm is just over it's near Astatula and south of Leesburg. South Carolina is pretty dry. There's a rain shower north of Columbia. North Carolina, we got some scattered showers on the coast. This is over Elizabeth City. Virginia, got some rain showers north of Richmond and south of Richmond, but Richmond itself looks pretty dry. Denton is dry for now. Dover, Delaware is dry. Most of New Jersey's dry. Pennsylvania, we got a couple of scattered thunderstorms in the southwest corner of Pennsylvania between Connellsville and Waynesburg and Uniontown. Louisiana, not much going on. Arkansas, not too much. Oklahoma, nothing. We're talking about the storm that passed through here a little bit earlier this evening. Utah, we've got scattered rain showers pretty much across the state. Ogden, north of Ogden, and it looks like we got a thunderstorm there. Let's see. If I try to name every single town that has rain right now, I'll be here until 11:30, and I really don't want to do that. So we're just going with general areas. So let's see. In Nevada, between Fallon and Eureka, got rain showers. And then in California, got some thunderstorms in the southern part of California between Goff and Amboy. And then here, Temecula has a rain shower. Reddick, Oak Grove, Las Vegas is dry. The rest of California is looking pretty dry. Idaho, there's a rain shower here in the southeast corner, just over Preston. Oregon's pretty dry right now. Washington's pretty dry. Washington State. Not too much going on there. Let's see here. Alaska, just really, really light showers in central Alaska. And a couple over here in western Alaska in this area. Go ahead and get down to Hawaii. Big Island, we got showers on the western side of the island. but the eastern side is pretty dry for now. Honolulu's looking pretty dry here on Oahu. And let's go ahead and look at Japan and the Philippines. Tokyo got a rain shower there. This looks like one of the typhoons. Rain band from a weakening typhoon. Here in the northern part of the main island, got some rain showers there too. Philippines got our normal daily showers and thunderstorms in the central Philippines. Looks like Manila's got a little rain shower too, just out to the east a little bit. Palawan's dry for now. Go ahead and look at the UK and Ireland. Just some slight rain showers in Scotland. The rest of England and Wales looking pretty dry. London's dry. Not much going on there. Iceland's looking pretty dry. Yeah. And go ahead and look at the rain in Canada too. Nova Scotia, not too much going on. Prince Edward Island, nothing. New Brunswick, not too much. Thunderstorm here in central Quebec. It's between La Tuque and Saguenay. And then in the southern part, looks like Sherbrooke, Ottawa. It looks like this just passed Ottawa. Then heading towards Montreal. A couple of rain showers, more scattered rain showers across the rest of Quebec. Ontario, just very light rain showers. This one's over here, north of, or near Armstrong. Manitoba, not much going on. Saskatchewan, between Humboldt and Meadow Lake, got rain showers. Swift Current's pretty dry for now. Alberta, Calgary's got a little thunderstorm. And we've got scattered thunderstorms across the rest of Alberta. Edmonton is not being affected right now. Cold Lake, Peace River, that's where some of these storms are near. British Columbia, got a thunderstorm here. Near Vavenby. And Lone Butte. This stretches up some more showers from Quesnel up to Fort St. James, and out here in the middle of nowhere. Got another storm. Vancouver Island's looking pretty dry. I can't see the rest of the northern part of Canada, so we're not going to even look at that for precipitation. Let's quickly look at temperatures. Once again, I'm not going to name every single town. Just going to try to hit the big ones. Or if I know somebody lives there that is watching. Augusta, Maine, 66. Concord, New Hampshire, 73. Montpelier, Vermont, 64. Boston, 75. Providence, Rhode Island, 73. New York City, 79. Ithaca 70 degrees, Harrisburg 73, Pittsburgh 73, Denton, Maryland is 77, Washington, D.C. 75. Oops, zoomed out a little bit too much. Cleveland, Ohio 75, Indianapolis 73, Springfield, Illinois 80 degrees, Jefferson City 84, Springfield, Missouri 84, St. Joseph 84, Des Moines, Iowa 82, Rockford, Illinois 71, Chicago 75, Madison 73, Green Bay 73, Traverse 68, Lansing 71, Detroit 75, St. Paul 77, Duluth 70, International Falls 66. Hi Mark, how are you doing? Grand Forks, North Dakota 70 degrees, Bismarck 68, Pierre, South Dakota 70, Sioux Falls 73, Scotts Bluff, Nebraska 86, Lincoln 82, Sioux City is 79, Kansas, Topeka's 86, Wichita's 91, Garden City 93, Oklahoma City 91, Little Rock's 82, Shreveport 84, New Orleans 84, Jackson's 77, Montgomery 82, Birmingham, Alabama 80, Macon, Georgia 80 degrees, Atlanta 79, Brunswick's 80 degrees, Pensacola, Florida's 84, Panama City 84, Tallahassee 80, Gainesville 79, Jacksonville 82, Palm Coast 80, Tampa's 82, Merritt Island, kind of near where Bill lives, is 82, Cape Coral's 80 degrees, Homestead, Florida's 82, Miami's 84, Fort Lauderdale's 84, Dallas, Texas 89, Houston 80, San Antonio 80, 86, Fort Stockton 86, Denver, Colorado's 80, Salt Lake City's 82, Flagstaff is 68, Phoenix is 97, Mesa's 98, excuse me, Sierra Vista 77, Lake Havasu City's 98, hi Tony, hi Jeff, Las Vegas 100 degrees there right now, Denver, Colorado's 80, Salt Lake City's 82, Los Angeles 75, Bakersfield 100, Stockton is 82, Modesto's 91, Sacramento 77, Redding, California's 93, Oregon, Eugene 77, Klamath Falls 77, Baker City 73, Salem, Oregon 77, Seattle, Washington 70, Olympia 68, Kennewick's 86, Spokane 79, May as well do Vancouver Island while we're just right here. Victoria is 62. Anchorage 66. Bethel is 71. Prudhoe Bay is 46 degrees up there in northern Alaska. Let's go ahead and look at Tokyo. 89 degrees in Tokyo. Manila's 84. Cebu City's 88. London, England 62. Bradford is 55. Aberdeen is 48. Dublin, Ireland is 57. And I'll quickly scan through the major cities in Canada. Newfoundland, St. John's 55. New Brunswick, Fredericton is 66. Nova Scotia, Halifax is 70. Ottawa is 66. Quebec is 64. Toronto 75. Sudbury 64. Thunder Bay 68. Kenora 64. Winnipeg 66. Saskatoon 62. Swift Current 66. Calgary is 62. And Grand Prairie is 62. Kelowna, BC is 77. Prince George 59. And actually this is part of Alaska here. Wrangell in Alaska is 61 there. White Horse, Yukon 61. Excuse me. Yellowknife in the Northern Territories is 66. Baker Lake in Nunavut is 55. And then, of course, up here right north, it's cold. There's not very many town names to name up there. Okay, let's go ahead and see if we can find the coldest temperature in Greenland. Put my mouse almost right on a cold temperature. I see 5, 6 degrees, 4 degrees, I think. Oh, wait. 3 degrees Fahrenheit. I think that's about as cold as it gets. Oh, wait. Oh, I saw 2 degrees. I swear I saw 2 degrees. There it is. 2. There's something there. I don't think there's anything there. I don't think anyone cares that it's 2 degrees there. Yeah, it's cold. Quickly look at weather watches and warnings. Trying to get this done in half an hour. So I'm trying to move as quickly as I can. We have thunderstorm watches and flood watches across West Virginia, the eastern part of Kentucky, and most of Ohio. And temperature warnings across central Missouri and southern Illinois and a little bit of western Indiana here. And Tennessee, northern Mississippi, a little bit eastern Arkansas, temperature warnings, watches. Oklahoma City, majority of Oklahoma's in a advisory. Kansas, a little bit in central Kansas. Out here in Nebraska, severe thunderstorm watch. They're pretty much across most of the kind of like the west to it's like central Nebraska, west-ish, and then South Dakota also we got some here too. Fire danger warnings in Wyoming and eastern Idaho, including Idaho Falls. Excuse me. We also have air quality warnings and watches across Washington and Oregon. Temperature warning and air quality warning in Las Vegas. Phoenix also an air quality warning. And flash flooding. Flood watch here. Pretty much across from Phoenix down all the way down to the southern part. Even Tucson's got a flash flood warning and storm watches and warnings. Gila Bend, and let's see here. We got a couple of irregular looking boxes. It says no weather warnings there, but I still see the box. That's weird. Anyway, flash flood warning there. Let's see. I think that's about it. I think I've covered everything. Do I have any special request? I try to cover as much as I can, guys, as quickly as possible. Oh, Hawaii temp. Volcano 71. Nearly forgot Hawaii. Honolulu 80. Any special request? Otherwise, I'm going to finish it up on Toowoomba in Australia. 62 degrees in Toowoomba. And I believe that's about it. I'm going to scan through chat real quick and see if I see any mention of any special requests for towns to look at specifically. No, I do not see anything, so I'm going to finish it up there for tonight. And I really appreciate you all coming and watching. Yeah, Arizona, lots of heat warnings. You can actually see it from here. Just deep in the hundreds. And my screen went black again, so I think that is about it. I do not know why it is doing that. I think OBS just knows that it is time to end the stream. I don't know why it does that. But anyway, you can see here Arizona and Southern California just hot, and of course in the Central Valley of California hot too. And this is just normal heat for the South here. Anyway, have a good night, everyone, and I'll see you all tomorrow evening at 10:30 Eastern Time. Appreciate you all watching, and I'll see you then. Thank you, Jeff.